If you struggle to find the right digital products to sell, I completely understand. I used to be the same. The key to having success selling digital products on Etsy or anywhere online is finding product ideas that have lots of searches and low competition. I just happen to be a keyword research nerd, so I've got you covered in this video. I'm going to share with you some amazing product ideas that will get more cha-chings coming in. So our first keyword is printable gaming birthday card with a search volume of 13,917 and competition of 740. And then here are some examples. Looks like most of them just have a gaming controller on them. This one has some other things. Our next keyword is 90s theme party decorations with a search volume of 13,833 and competition of 1,064. This is going to be a good opportunity to make a bundle to sell so you can charge a higher price and make more money. So here are some examples. This one is a banner with different things from the 90s on it. This one is a banner with like CDs. This one is just like colorful 90s looking. The next keyword is crypto tracker, search volume 15,154 and competition 431. So here we have some trackers, a Google Sheet. I mean, you can make this as simple as you want to. This is a Google Sheet as well. I know zero things about crypto, so I don't even know what you would put on this, but if you're familiar, this would be a great one for you to make. The next one is puppy contract with a search volume of 20,416 and competition of 339. So here we just have a simple contract. You see how small of a price they're charging though. I would not do that. This one has a little bit more of a bundle, so they're charging a little bit higher price. Looks like their regular price is $9.10. So this is on the sale price. I would lean toward the bundles so you could charge more money. Next up is couple challenge with a search volume of 14,036 and competition of 971. So if you look at the results, there's a 30-day couple challenge, another couple challenge, and then this one is an intimacy challenge, couples challenge. And this one's actually a physical game, but you could make a printable game like that too. Next is Moon Cycle Journal with a search volume of 21,273 and competition of 688. So if you're into this type of stuff, this would be great for you to make a journal. The next one is Bridesmaid Wine Label Printable. Search volume 10,983 and competition 571. So it looks like these have photos on them, or these are kind of like a proposal when you're asking someone to be your bridesmaid. If you're tired of trying to figure out digital product ideas on your own, I created an easy solution for you. My brand new digital products keyword report will give you 20 product ideas per month that are highly searched and low competition. I'm going to limit the spots for this subscription because I don't want any of the keywords that I share to get oversaturated. So if you're interested in checking it out and getting 20 keywords per month that you can create products for, be sure to check the link in the description or go to passively-ever-after.com/keyword report. The next one is Vacation Meal Planner with a search volume of 13,597 and competition of 212. So as I look at the results here, I don't see anything that says vacation in the top row here. There is one vacation one right here. The rest of these just look like general meal planners. So I think you could really stand out in the vacation space with this. The next one is Circle Habit Tracker Printable with search volume 19,246 and competition 540. And you can see here, these are all circular shaped. So that's what they're going for here. So you could design something that looks pretty or some sort, follow some sort of trend and add that to this to make it more unique. The next one is survival checklist with a search volume of 14,713 and a competition of 260. These are for preppers who want to be ready for anything and be sure that they can survive. All you have to do is make a checklist. It looks like there are different types of checklists that you could make. If that's your jam, then this one will be for you. The next one is employee work schedule. And the search volume on this one is 15,067 and the competition is 688. So some of these look like they're pretty low priced. And then this one is higher priced. And it looks like they have 4 different things in here. So I would focus on making some sort of a bundle for this so that you can charge more money. And then we have printable mystery games. And the search volume on this one is 12,912 and the competition is 1,838. People can print these at home. You can get really creative with it and come up with some really fun ones. And if you have trouble coming up with ideas, you can always ask an AI like ChatGPT for some ideas of what the game could look like a theme for the game or help with different parts of the game.
If you liked this video, be sure to watch this video too and learn some Christmas products that you can design for.